Hi everyone, how are you doing? In this video, we'll be talking about production, presented to you by Precool Skillz. So, what is production? Production is the process of converting resources into goods and services. We use these goods and services to satisfy the needs and wants of people. Needs are things that humans need to survive, such as food or water, while wants are the desires that people have. Moving on, we'll take a look at manufacturing. Manufacturers make goods from raw materials and components. People, tools, equipment, and machinery are involved in the process. Goods can be produced in many ways. For example, if we take chocolate or crisps, they are usually manufactured in large quantities. They are mass produced. But if we take suits or jewelries, which are handmade by skilled workers, they are produced in a small scale. Next is the provision and delivery of services. The range of services provided is humongous and is usually divided into two. First is direct services, also known as personal services. It's aimed directly at customers. Some examples are financial services, telecommunication, personal services, education, and transport. Next is commercial services. These are provided to support businesses with the distribution of products. This can be separated into two: trade, which consists of export agencies and import agencies, and aids to trade, which are communication systems, transport, or advertising. Now we'll move to our final subtopic: factors of production. There are four factors of production, which are land, labor, capital, and enterprise. We'll start with land. Businesses will need land to locate their shop, office, or premises. Anyways, land can be used for so many other things like coal, oil, iron ore, or any other resource. Next, we'll move to labor. Labor is the workforce of the economy, consisting of manual workers, skilled workers, and managers. Next is capital. This is often known to be an artificial resource since it is made by humans. There are two types of capital: working capital or circulating capital. This refers to the stock of raw materials and components, and fixed capital, which refers to the factories, offices, shops, and tools and machines used in production. Last, we'll move on to enterprise. So, the entrepreneurs are responsible for the setting up and running of the business. Without them, production would not take place. Let's take a look at some of the roles of an entrepreneur. They come up with the business idea, they are the business owners, they take risks, they are important in resource organizing. Get the quiz and the presentation at precoolskillz.com. Hope you enjoyed. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind.